G'day everybody, thanks for popping through. Well, today plans have all been stuffed up really. I didn't do what I was going to do, but anyway, I've come out to the back of my place actually. It's only about, I don't know, half hour, 50k, 60k's out from my place down the Warwick, Cunningham Highway and out into the sticks, and we're going to check some of that joint out today. I was hoping to get some really nice stuff, but there's clouds everywhere. The sun's not out, lighting was really bad. But anyway, let's go check some of this stuff out. Well, there's all sorts of places around here if you just look for them, I guess. If you're not looking for stuff, you probably drive past things a million times and not even think twice about it. I've actually come across a dam here, so the dam's right there in the background. And in the middle of that, it's got some dead trees and all that with some interesting shapes. So I thought, get the drone up and see what we can do. But anyway, let's get the drone, chuck it out into that dam and see what we can do. There you have it. I'm on my way home now, and hopefully I can salvage some footage out of this. The lighting today has been really bad. It's been cloudy all day, so it hasn't been really good for any sort of dynamics, I guess, within the footage. But anyway, I'll get home, chuck it on the computer, and see what I can do with it. Thanks very much, everybody, again for popping through. I really do appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe if you want to, because that would be fantastic. And I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.